Good morning students, I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir. Today I have brought the new video for you. Today I am going to start your new chapter input and output devices. In this video we shall discuss about the different input and output devices. So student, let us start with the first topic, input unit. So student, now we shall talk about the input unit. Input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. are used to enter data and information into a computer. The input unit converts the incoming data and instruction into a pattern of binary code which is understood by a computer. Some of the input devices are discussed here. First is keyboard. A keyboard is the main input device used to input data and instruction into the computer. A keyboard contains many mechanical switches or push buttons called keys. When one of these are pushed, an electrical circuit is closed and the keyboard sends a signal to the computer that tells it what letter, number or symbol it would like to be shown on the screen. A keyboard consists of mainly 5 types of keys. These are alphabet keys, function keys, numeric keys, special character keys, control keys and arrow keys. So second, mouse. Mouse is the most commonly used input and pointing device that lets you select and move item on the screen. It controls a cursor in a GUI, graphical user interface, and can move and select text, icon, files and folders on your computer. Almost all computer mouse have at least 2 buttons, that is a left button and right button for clicking and manipulating object and text. There are mainly 3 types of mouse. There are mechanical mouse, optomechanical mouse and optical mouse. Fourth is a scanner. It is also an input device that scans text, image and object optically. The scanned data is then converted into digital image and displayed on computer screen. There are mainly 3 types of scanners. These are drum scanner, flatbed scanner and handheld scanner. Third, web camera. It is a device primarily used to share a live image in real time to or through a computer in a network. Generally, a webcam is connected to your computer by a USB cable or built into computer hardware such as laptop. A webcam is widely used in organization for video conferencing. Now next topic is output unit. So student, the output unit is used for displaying or printing the processed data in a user readable form. A computer has several output devices attached to it. Some of the common output devices are listed below. First, monitor. Monitor is the most common output device. It is also called visual display unit. In short, we say it VDU. An electronic visual display for computer. The picture or on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called pixels. Monitor resolution is measured in pixels. The output displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. The most common type of monitors are: first, cathode ray tube, in short we say it CRT. Second, liquid crystal display, in short we say it LCD. Third, light emitting diode monitor. So student, next most important output device is printer. A printer is a peripheral device used for printing the output on a paper or any other printable media. The printed information on the paper is called hard copy. Printers are mainly two types. First is impact printer and second is non-impact printer. So now let us talk about the impact printer. Impact printer allow physical contact between the printer head and paper. In this, hammers or pin strike against a ribbon and paper to print the text. Impact printers are classified as follows. First, daisy wheel printers. It is called daisy wheel printer because the print mechanism look like a daisy. A hammer strikes a petal containing a character against the ribbon and the character print on the paper. Its speed is slow, typically 25 to 55 characters per second. It's okay, students. Now, second is dot matrix printer. The dot matrix printers uses print head containing 9 to 24 pins. These pins produce patterns of dot on the paper to form the individual characters. The pin strike the ribbon individually as the print move across the entire print line in both the direction, that is from left to right and then right to left and so on. Dot matrix printers are inexpensive and noisy printer and typically print at the speed of 100 to 600 characters per second. This type of the printer is mainly used in government offices to produce the carbon copies of the printout also. So student, now we shall talk about the non-impact printer. Non-impact printer do not allow physical contact between the printing heads and paper. They do not strike against the ink ribbon or the paper which is being printed. They are much quieter and produce a high quality of printout. Following are some non-impact printer as discussed here. First is thermal printer. Thermal printers use a special heat sensitive paper. Characters are formed when heated elements come in the contact with the heat sensitivity paper, thus forming darkened dots. Second is ink.